Thank you so much for watching Lamont's Outdoors Adventure. Today's I'm doing something a lot different. No, I'm not at no abandoned buildings, haunted church, in a creek. Today, I'm right here. Alright. Why I'm here at a park, I want to do something different. You know, it's been raining. I really didn't have anything on my schedule, you know, to record. So I said, why not? You know, it's been here since 1991. I drove by it like thousands of times. This is my first time actually walking in the front gate. And I made a video how to get here. It's 1010 County Line Road. But I don't live that far. I just live right across. Matter of fact, I can walk all over around here and go across. Walk down the railroad tracks. Of course, you guys know the railroad tracks, but it's beautiful out here. I just wanted to show you guys something different. You know, beauty of Mother Nature. You know, it don't hurt to stop and smell the roses every once in a while. You don't have to live every day like Mickey D's way, fast and right away your way. But I guess these are the rules and regulations. I guess these things over here, I think they're fish feeders. That's what, I don't know, gators in here. See that? Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that's what it is. It's a timer. It's a fish feeder timer. I guess a certain time of the day it shoots fish food out there. They got them all the way around the pond. I was about to say lake, but this ain't no lake. This is just a little fishing pond. It's not bad looking. Like I said, I drove by this about 50 times a day, and this is my first time ever being, you know, in here. Now I just need to get me some fishing license and just catch me a fish. And the weird thing is the mosquitoes ain't really that bad out here. What's in here? Catfish and brim? Is there You gotta see what this guy caught, man. Hey, I can't laugh because I'm not out here fishing either. I'm a YouTuber. I got a YouTube channel, and I'm just doing some recording around the area. Yeah, my channel is Lamont's Outdoors Adventure. And you can go to YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel. All I do is I go in abandoned buildings. I go, you know, into nature walks and stuff. It's adventure videos. Like I said, I think these things right here are fish feeders. They, you know, go off like a certain time every day, and they got them all the way around this pond. But I'm trying to see what this thing is right here. Oh, I thought it was a turtle. That's a shame. You see that? That's what makes me mad right there. You know what? If you come out here, enjoy what God created for you, you guys can at least pick up your garbage. I don't know, it's just me, you know, I'm a nature person and everybody wants to leave their garbage behind, man. Everybody's looking at me like I'm crazy. I don't care, you know. I'm doing this for you guys. Today's supposed to be Sunday, my day off, but I rather record videos for, you know, for good content for you guys to watch.